Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Gomez joins me. We're coming to you from Santoni headquarters here. We're talking a little bit about those questions and stumbling blocks a lot of our employers ask us in the sales process after they come on board. And we're going to break down these questions and hopefully shed some light on these topics to help you in your onboarding process, your screening process, and managing compliance and risk in your organization. So Ben's going to pepper me with questions, and so let's get started.
Sure. All right, Tim. So when would you advise to be the best time to run a background check on a candidate?
Yeah, so it's a great question that comes up quite often, which is, at what point do you want to conduct that background check? So as a California-based employer, it's wise to have a conditional offer of employment, conduct a background check. If everything goes through, then complete and bring the employee on board. But this doesn't mean that it's impossible to conduct a background check on someone after they're an employee. There's compliance risk, master service agreement, compliance issues. There are other reasons why you must do that. And we're getting into some other examples later on, like rechecking if there's policies. But ideally, it's before they become an employee, so that if something does come up in their background check, a conviction, some issue that you need to take action on, you don't have any issue in the hiring process. So thank you so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions or stumbling blocks with your employment background screening or onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave some information in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.
Just going at it? Trial run? I haven't been in front of a camera like
It's
this.
red. It's blinking
Yeah.
red, right?
Actually, I think you're a little off center.
Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Benjamina,
Benjamina. That's gonna stick. We should have a bloopers.
We do. We need it.